So the installation of the Volkswagen Crafter navigation unit is complete. As you can see, the radio works without any problems. We have signal, we have all the FM stations. Very nice.
Further up as well have come through. That's at junction.
And one of the first things we should do after the installation is the setup of the CAN bus. For this we need to go to settings, factory, 3368 the password, and choose car model. From there we should choose the CAN bus model, the car model, and so on. And after we do these settings, if we have steering wheel controls, they will work, and other OEM information as well. So this navigation unit is based on an Android 15 operating system. This is the main screen. We have a bunch of shortcuts on the lower part. First thing, we are going to connect to a Wi-Fi connection and show you the YouTube app. The navigation has a huge diagonal of 13.1 inches, 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. As you can see, everything moves very fast, is responsive, and everything is optimized for the best performance.
I like it.
Now that you have seen how the YouTube works and how it looks on the big screen, I want to show you the rear view camera, which is also installed and which can be bought together with this nav unit. We will do a separate video about the camera, but this is the main image. On the left we have the car with the parking sensors, a full HD 172 degrees camera with a crisp and clear image. Next important function is the CarPlay, a function that will provide you a bunch of different apps that will behave a bit faster than the ones on the Android operating system. In the CarPlay ecosystem we have apps like Phone, Spotify, Maps, Google Maps, TomTom Go, Waze. We can listen to music while navigating through the navigation apps. And another important thing with the CarPlay, we have the voice assistant, which helps us get directions easier, which will make the overall trip safer because we won't have to type every destination. We won't have to manually open an app and so on, because everything can be done with a voice command.
Hey Siri, open maps. Hey Siri, find the petrol station.
One option is BP on Stratford Road in Northampton, about 2 miles to your north, and it gets 100% positive ratings.
Hey
How about
Siri.
that one?
Hey Siri, play music.
I'll need to access your YouTube music data to use the app. Is that okay?
Yes.
Now playing YouTube music.
So this is the Assure navigation screen compatible with Volkswagen Crafter. You can buy it for other types of vans like Mercedes Sprinter, Citroën Jumper. We have a dedicated video with the installation on a 2019 Citroën Jumper. Everything fits very nice. And if you have other van models or car models, the guys from Assure have the best solution for you. So go on and check out the link in the video description. Check out their store. You will definitely find a suitable model for your car. Thank you for watching, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.